Good morning. The gang's all here. I can't even do my advent without. Right now I got 4 cats. Okay. You guys, you usually let me do the first one without bugging me. Can you scoot over there? Today is the 17th, so we have to open this one, this bird. And this is chocolate that you can't have. So scoot back. You can't have it. It's very pretty. It's mint. Very minty. Hey, Felix. You want to join the cat brigade? All right, Jack. It's this window, number 17. Can you get it? Which side has the crease? I think this side. You guys got it? I think it's a snowman. It's Santa. Don't you like Santa? I know, it's not a cat treat. One more advent and then we'll get to yours, okay? Here is the stolen one. What do we got? The almond again for the 80th time. You guys can't eat that, sorry. All right, it's now your guys' turn. Hold on one second where I try to remember where I hid it from you. All right, it's time for the Hunger Games. Number 17 right here. Who's gonna win? Oh, not a good one. It's the cat, excuse me, the cat jerky. Yep, Colin, it ain't gonna work. Okay, oh my God. We've now got 5 cats. There's 1 on the ground, so 6 cats. Okay, all right, hold on. A little at a time. There's some for you. Honey, you're being a good girl. There's some for you. That's Honey right there. Sage, there you go. Felix, wait, I gotta get some to Nutmeg. Here you go, Nutmeg. There you go, Nutmeg. Felix, why are you hiding over there? Here, you can have some. There you go. You guys, here, let me pull the plastic so you can eat it and start growling at each other and be the good old Hunger Games. I don't know if that's a good reference. I've never technically seen any of those movies. Okay. There we go. Get some. All right, Danny, let me get some out for Sally, who's been a good girl. Sally, here you go. There, you can have that. And let's see if there's any left for Honey. There you go, Honey. She's the original before the house got invaded by the horde. Okay, there's still a little piece left. Who's here? Let's see. Oh, Nutmeg, I'm trying to get out. That's Danny. You just bit me. Not very nice. There you go, Nutmeg. Last piece for you. That's it. We're done. Merry Christmas. I know it wasn't much for the 80 cats I have. I know. That's all you got. They just had breakfast, a late breakfast. So they're acting like they're starving. And they're not. They're not starving. No, they're not. Believe it or not, this time last year, I only had 2 cats. Life was a lot easier with 2 cats. Honey, my original, and then Felix, my second adopted. And the rest are fosters and rescues and pains in the butt. Yes, you, Jack, you're a pain in the butt, but I still love you. I still love you. Okay, quickly, before the cats come back, I distracted him in the other room with treats. And it lasted 2 seconds. Oh my God. I love you, Jack, but you're too quick. All right, 17. We're opening this one today, right? Today's the 17th. Could you move your foot a little bit? Your kitty paw. Kitty paw. Okay, here we go. It's a shrunken head. Oh my God. You kind of remember that from the movie. It's a shrunken head and it's not edible, so that's it. Merry Christmas from the Horde of Cats.